much the home screen of the AI application. Very, very simple AI application to use. And this is pretty much the home screen. Down here, you can pretty much ask the AI anything that you want. You have different options or different AI models which you can use as well. Those going to require you a subscription for this. So down here, you have the plus icon, which pretty much allows you to upload photos. If you want to add photos, you may want to ask AI about a photo or anything like that. As well, you have the camera option, you can take a picture right away. And also you have the files option where you can upload PDF files, documents, or anything that you want AI to analyze for you. You can pretty much upload that as well. So down here you have the option, the search option. Let's say you want AI to search the web for you, you can do that. Enable the web option or the option down here. You have the simple search option. If you do tap on this option here, you have the advanced search and you have the deep search. So do keep in mind you only have a limited usage for these features. As you can see here, you only have 3 usage or 3 questions to ask AI per day for each of these, and the deep search or the deep research is pretty much 3 usage per month. Because I don't have a subscription, those are the only usage that I have available. And if I want to use any other AI model, all here can just tap on the others section down here, just tap on the arrow. And once you tap on the arrow here, you can see able to see all the other AI models that comes with this application here, and you'll be able to use. But keep in mind, going to need a subscription to use these AI models. So yeah, so that's really pretty much it for that there. And anything that you have to ask the AI, let's say for example, just ask the AI is simple. Just hey, nothing much, and will pretty much give me a simple answer. As you can see here, this is pretty much the answer as it relates to that. And as you can see here, this is just an answer, nothing much about anyways. So they do have a option where you can ask me follow-up questions. As you can see here, they do give you options as it relates to you asking follow-up questions. You can copy the reply right up on the copy icon here. You can download the reply. And as well, you can tap on the 3 dots option to pretty much delete the reply. Anyways, as it relates to reply, you can as well change the model that you want to answer your questions. If I tap on the switch one option here, well, as I said before, you're going to need a subscription to use these other AI models. Let's say you want to use the advanced feature or the advanced search, you can use it as well. So that's really promotion for the application. And over here, you can tap on the 3 lines and you pretty much go with your subscription. So as you can see here, this is pretty much your subscription. And what they offer, they give you a 3 days free trial, which can test out the application and so forth. So, and as well, you get a monthly subscription, then go ahead and purchase the subscription. That's after the 3 days has finished. You can see down here, the monthly subscription is for $18, and you have a year subscription here. So not just the pro subscription, we have a max subscription, as you can see here, and the max subscription monthly fee is pretty much $35, I would say, and here the subscription price is down here as well. And pretty much everything that you're getting with your max subscription, and you do go into detail as it relates to their AI tool and how powerful their AI tool is. So as you can see here, they do comparison as it relates to other AI models out there and so forth. So very, very decent AI application, I would say. And if you have asked the AI any question at all, and you may want to go back and check on that answer that the AI have given you, you can tap on the circle icon at the top there, and you pretty much will see the questions you may ask the AI, and you can go back and check on those questions and so forth. So very easy application to use. So that's pretty much it. And if I miss anything at all, just comment below. I'm glad to help you. And without that said, guys, see you in the next one.